confused, I was uptight, I wanna let loose. I was dreaming of bigger things and wanna leave my old life behind. Not a yes sir, I'm not a follower. Fit the mold, fit the box, have a seat in the foyer. Take a number, I was lightning before the thunder. Thunder, lightning and the thunder, oh thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, 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 thunder. Now kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? You're dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds. Thunder, thunder, lightning and the thunder. Oh thunder, feel the thunder, lightning and the thunder, thunder, thunder. Never give up, never give up, never give up on your dreams. Oh, never give up.
Happy birthday, Elliot. I'm so happy that you turned 11. You've gotten so big, and it's way too fast. You need to slow it down, if you would. Just a little, for me. These gray hairs, they're coming from you. Anyways, have a great birthday. So proud of you. This day is for you. We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, EJ. I'm really proud of you, and I'm in awe of you every day. You make me so happy, and I love you so much. I hope you have a really special birthday today. Love you.
Happy birthday, EJ.
Happy birthday, EJ. I remember the day you were born. You were very adorable. I'm surprised how big you've grown, and I love playing with you and making comics and reading your Super Banana stories, and I hope you have a happy birthday.
Junior, this is your Aunt Sarah, all the way from Oklahoma, wishing you a very happy birthday. I hope that you know that I love you very, very much, and you are an incredible kid, and I'm so happy to be your aunt. And I know that you and your friends are going to have a blast on your birthday. And I'm actually a little bit jealous of the GameTruck, so you have to tell me all about it the second that you get done with the party. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Hi, Elliot Jr. This is your Uncle Nick. I wanted to wish you a happy birthday, and I hope you have an amazing time gaming it up on your GameTruck.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.